Okay, I finished my detailing and I glazed it. So now we're going to do one last step, and we're going to mix some of the dark yellow orange with a touch of the dark red. So let's mix that. So here's the dark yellow orange. It's my whole pile that I have left over. And we'll get a touch of the dark red, which is actually right there. Just pull a little more of this out here. Okay. I like that color. And let's see. We're going to wet the whole surface with some extender. Let me find my brush. Okay. All the way around the whole thing. Okay, and then wipe off the excess. Just lightly wipe it. Okay, then I'm going to side load this brush. I'm going to use the same one that I had in my extender. Side load that. And then I'm going to wash it transparently around the outside edge of the rim. So let's we're going to bring it right around this part. And then also we're going to put it just along the inside of the center part of the plate. So let's go ahead and wash that over. I do like that color. It's very nice. Uh-oh. Wrong area. Okay. There we go. Make sure that I get this out of the area I didn't want it in, because I want there to be some light area in between where I put this. Okay, and then we're going to wash it here on the inside area of the plate. Okay. Once again, I'm going to establish this area on the outside so that it is lighter than the two areas. Okay. And so what we've done is reduce the contrast. And I think I want to pull this out a little bit into the center. This is just me. I'm going to leave it a lot darker here on the edge, but I need it to be lighter in the center, but I don't want there to be big contrast that I did have. This looks good to me. It looks kind of antique-y. And get as much, make sure that you have the amount that you want out here on this edge. And if you make this transparently dark enough, then you can see the difference between in those areas. Okay, I like that very much. And then I'm going to switch to a smaller brush, and I'm going to wash my outside bead with the dark red. So I think I'll go ahead and let's see. Let's try this brush. It's a sharp stain it. Let me see how that works. Let's experiment. Okay. I'm going to wash this edge. In this dark red. I like this brush. It's very stiff, and it stays where I put it. It's by Sharp, and it's called Stain It. Now, I'll need to also put it on the underside and on the edge of this bead. But for the purposes of on camera, we'll just make sure we get the top side. This is kind of like a bristle brush. Okay, so you can see how that looks, and when you're finished with it, oh, and it says to adjust it so that it's darker than the dark reds that are already in the plate. So probably what I'll do is go around this once, let it dry up a little bit, and then come back and go over it again so we can get it drying, or get it dark enough. Whoops, out of line. There we go. So this turned out to be quite pretty. And on to lesson 6, the Ramsdahl.